There it is! See the sign? I've been wanting to come here. I heard the steak here is a must-try. What looks good to you? Does anything jump out at you? I think I'm gonna go with this signature steak. The vibe here is incredible. I'm obsessed with the interior. I love these floor-to-ceiling windows. The view is stunning. My hands feel a bit gross. I'm gonna go wash up real quick before the food comes out. Even the sink area is so aesthetic. The food is finally here. This looks incredible. Look at that sizzle. My mouth is watering already. I can't wait to dig in. This steak is so tender. It melts in my mouth. No wonder it's their signature dish. It is so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The pasta sauce is so rich and flavorful. Oh wow, dessert is here, cake, coffee, and even ice cream. This is pure bliss. There's always room for dessert. I have a major sweet tooth. This goes so well with the hot Americano. It's on me. Everything was great. We really enjoyed the meal. Compliments to the chef.